I should them take it out, man. The roast one, them ready, you know. Schemers. A bit more choke, you know. Yeah, bust it down, man, my friend, man.
Like a shrimp, you're not here.
Maggie. Them run go buy soup and not even make none of them man them know, so them a go buy soup. Schemers, we out here. I go to Harborfield and night and I go look some kung soup. We go look some kung soup and we go get some oysters outside.
Yo, Tinaba.
Yeah, Zoom and the youth, so we are setting up him back in the night. After breed something.
I bring him. Yeah. Come over here, sir. Come over here, sir.
Call him.
Come in, Tommy. I bring him.
Yeah,
look one more till they know anything.
You
want to brawling, you come in brawling. You come in brawling and pray for coming on the camera.
Yeah, forward, man. Him name Tommy.
They might do a woman. They might not a woman that say not a chance. Yeah, woman.
Yeah,
woman. Look at the people. Him not a woman, so him not a chance. You have something.
A chance.
So me have hopes.
Next year, by this year to next year, man, I want to.
Bumbuckler, brawling.
Remember that?
Twin. Twin. Remember, you know. Record here.
Yeah, record here. Stress, I never told them about me. Me stress, I live with it.
Go on, man. Give them, you know. Give them me double and more. Brawling. Hungry and nice boss, you know. No, yo, I don't blow clear oysters in money I go name. Money I clean so. Party money I go man.
Daddy pan them.
And God's spirit on him back.
God's spirit is a bad spirit. God's spirit is a bad spirit.
Spice bomb. Scary man. Be a dummy, watch out. Be a idiot, not carry. Be a idiot. Yo, the mother be. Oh, look at that big man.
Yeah, bust it down, man, my friend, man. Like a bust down the blood clot. He's a check.
Come across the man.
I chucked it at them. Understand? This is Jamaica. Welcome to the nice guys country. You understand? We got 8 to rare to nice big fish. You understand? We team out. 1-8 team.
Yo, don't run for him, dog. Yo, the man's full of intro. A bag of rare. The minute to see car them pull up, you know, full of car. Harborview Square. The first round, give us them order 4 dozen. Where's them that you count out of that?
So I get 2 dozen and 2 dozen roast.
2 dozen and 2 dozen roast.
Yeah. 5 is a dozen. Where is it? We got 2 dozen roast and fire feed dog.
That's a code. Oysters them they are roast.
What's them? Sweet. Sweet? Yeah, sweet and pepper, sweet pepper. So what's them get the twin and the triplet and everything? Yes, it's sweet and pepper.
Let's say we should get the twin and
Is that sweet one? No, it's sweet and pepper. That one.
Sweet and pepper.
Yeah.
You know about it, you know? Ah, my friend. What you say? Hungry and nice, my boy.
Really, but I'm hungry time, man. So it's not look like we're not going to be guys. Yeah.
Keep on the seat because you miss the goal what day, yeah. Eh? You mean you miss a big goal what day, yeah? It starts at work, you know?
Sweet.
Yeah. That one there just use all ago?
Yeah.
Me have no pan for there for no choke, you know. Ah! Around 4 years now, I work on a twin there. And now the twin can't work, man.
Baby in a back number, they say steel ball.
Wait there.
Steel ball, right there, so.
Baby in a buckle.
Yeah, man. Steel ball, we have all the arsenic.
Killer, that 10 years, that 10 years, forget the twin. Because around 4 years now, you want the twin and can't come. Yo, go down, man. Jesus! Aye! You have to breathe something in that area. We not ask.
Mash up a girl summer.
We not ask.
Them two go on the fire.
Zuma, we not ask you for breathe. What kind of sauce? What's that? A nerd, you know, I tell you say your mother you grew up with, you know? I tell you say your mother you grew up with, you are a nerd. My bad friend Gilo. Oh, that one there too. Are the raw pepper that one there? Go over, Tommy, I come and see. Go over.
Tommy can't tell me about here.
You have to breathe something.
I'm sorry.
Alright, I hear one them now. The first round, 4 dozen.
Line them up.
Bad killing. Remember, you make yellow drop out here and give the first grand, you know. And me, you make jump out. Maybe just a bigger one still, but don't make. Alright. One schemers.
What kind of sauce, man?
What kind?
Salt and pepper.
Girl didn't like me. 40-year-old girl did. No, 24.
Who are 24?
24 bucks, you
No man.
Real Jamaican oysters there. You ever hear about oysters in our bar?
Add pepper, run up, man.
Say add pepper one this.
Conk.
Add pepper, man.
Bad man, how you say man?
No, that's me. You can't eat shrimp and lobster and everything.
I should let them take it out, man. Just as this.
can't eat shrimp.
Kung.
You can't eat lobster. Nah, crab. Over there.
Believe, man.
Over there.
That's right. Still, my bad bro there. Anytime now, Danny must know say something in her belly.
I wish sauce me that use. Me use that already.
And grandson or a granddaughter, what is it?
Tammy can't Tamil.
Bumbo, like a twin, you know.
Tammy can't Tamil.
So if a twin, Tammy and Tamil. Yeah. How long for the roast on them, my God?
What's the month, yes?
Alright.
And the sauce, the sauce.
The sweet one.
Man, my run now, no, I'm going to see run out. Be, mama, you done.
The sweet one, yes.
Man, my run, dog. D, man. You know, nice does.
Nothing. Go on, try your luck.
Yo.
Remember me, I catch you if you choke.
There's a meat, oysters, sir.
Our roast one them they finish. So them one there what kind of ice as them?
Most of them those.
Oh, most of them they are the icers.
You ever see seafood boil? You ever see like green something like seafood boil?
I them that.
So you know some people might buy the seafood boil and love it. So if you don't want none of that, I just want to pay this alone and get it any amount. And if you want 20 dollars right now, you can get it. Right?
That are the muscle. Some of people say if you don't want the real good oysters and muscle, you know, right, so you for forward right on the Harbour View Square, so you see me? That's a code. Alright. Where boss name?
Uncle Gilly, man, seen them, man?
Code Live. Oh, Uncle Gilly. That is it. Where's the Zuma?
Maggie.
Ah. Zuma, I know say. Alright, I know my friend that turned me in a Godfather next year. Astanic tonight. Move it there, move it there.
One of them, G. One of them,
Achieve him now?
Yeah.
He dogs. I keep shooting that there.
He might go on with himself, man. Take out that cup there for me.
Give me that.
Yeah. So now go eat, you now go try the muscle?
Anything, my friend was at the muscle now.
Alright. The roast one, them ready, you know. Schemers. The roast oysters,
Remember, say God, I'm a baby in a back to see.
Ah!
Yeah.
Ah! Right away.
No.
Right away, Kev.
Yeah.
Right away. Where's the booba?
I can't chew, you know.
I wanna can chew now. Where's the booba? Booba try it out. Code Live. Want a dozen musto.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Roast.
First me. Put on a dozen.
Yeah, we want a dozen musto.
Bring them muscle.
Yeah, 1 dozen muscle. This name muscle. I didn't think of oysters at first when I see it, but I muscle is name. I never taste this before. Ah! You hear that? Schemers, remember? And them I make a swell up my belly. Brawling. And for the woman them can't breed, mule them. Yeah man. Dozen of them yeah. Half to breed. Open up your home.
Oyster sponge them look like tonic in ice.
Oyster sponge them? Oh yeah man, the oyster sponge them not big. The oyster sponge them not drink. Yeah, the oyster sponge them. You know I work man. Yeah, more 2 roast them yes. But I catch most of them right so.
Where roast them? And then I go take off them. Which roast me at that point? Yeah, most of them I talk about. I alone sell the punch them.
January.
I will just pour that much. Oh yes, and I joke in
Oyster sponge and magnum. Oyster sponge and magnum. First me I drink it. When everything done.
Daddy.
So. You want me to tell you now, 2 in here? Now I hear about it on the vlog.
Oh, and the most of them I come off now. Yeah. Alright, my schemers, so most of them I come off, I grill. Oh, most of them yeah. As what I say, I never taste this before. This name muscle.
Yeah, but sauce, I know I'm nice.
Hey, watch it. Muscle.
Look how weird you are.
Look how weird. Oh, yes.
Say come like a shrimp, you know here.
Let me taste it.
Taste the pepper.
Let me taste it. Schemers, this is mine.
Bad dog.
Bad. First me I taste it and it's bad.
Bad man.
It tastes like shrimp.
So this is my shop class.
Shrimp. You allergic to shrimp?
Shrimp, crab, lobster.
Muscle. Kev, let me see that. Yeah, conch. The last time I eat conch when I there Bahamas.
Yeah. So Uncle Gilly go to work, man.
Daddy.
Yeah, see what I want?
Yeah, me I see what I want.
Steam, I come on, died.
Madam mean.
Yeah, try sauce, but it's
The sauce, better, easy. Which one is sweet and sour? That one? More than sweet sour.
Man, come with a nice man.
So the more, that I hate, bro. And I want them to come and tell them anytime now. Twin, triple it, they can speed it. We but going to G back here. Sauce for the
What kind of soup that you buy? Chicken foot soup. Them run go buy soup and not even make none of them man them know so them a go buy soup. Yeah man, a come, Uber go man.
Them go too.
What kind of soup that? What kind of soup that man? A red pizza?
And the dog get to him up. Everybody chicken foot.
Chicken foot and everybody love him belly.
Chicken that comes.
Good sauce on it.
Everything they out above you right and some peeps. Steamers, everybody at the right vibes. Tonight's a Friday night. The airport over that side there. Portland over that side there. KFC, there's some Burger King. Everything there, everything there. That's facts. That way they go back at Kingston. Airport, Portland. Watching schemers, a bee snapping stuff like a girl, you know what you say? A bee snapping stuff like a girl, seen the bee snapping stuff like a girl, Napisha. Oh dear man. Am I water that? Yeah. Work. Everything in work.
What
no, Zuma said we fuck up the muscle. He mash up the muscle.
I still love him more.
I still love him more. I see my eye in front of the video. You believe? What's my eye in front of the video? It's still love him more. Fuck are you? Be a stepper.
I want to be that skin of
I'll be a chicken foot. I'll be a chicken.
Where's the dog?
The man I eat stepper. Chicken foot name stepper. For anybody wanna know what name stepper, chicken foot. Chicken foot name stepper. Be a stepper. You know, same no much. Yo! There we are, they know that is a wrap.
That is it.
Jerk pork. Even though they never get to see that part there. Because one time you go buy and jerk pork and go one side, you eat it.
Yeah.
But you know, oysters, mussel, soup, water.
Everybody, we out here, that's a wrap.